These car tip videos can be really helpful to you, which is why Klahanie Chevron Service Center offers them to you. Like them, share them, comment on them. Thanks.
If you want to make your car last as long as possible and run as well as possible, here are a few suggestions from rd.com that can help. Put less strain on your engine and automatic transmission by shifting to neutral at red lights. Otherwise, the engine is still working to push the car even while it's stopped. Now, it should be noted that this particular advice is not universally agreed upon. Avoid driving at high speeds and accelerating quickly, especially when it's very hot or cold outside. Such driving behavior will result in more frequent repairs. When turning your steering wheel, don't hold it in an extreme right or left position for more than a few seconds. Doing so can damage the power steering pump. Lighten up your keychain if it holds a dozen or more other keys. The weight can wear out the tumblers inside the ignition, leading to ignition switch failure. For newer cars with push-button ignitions, this advice doesn't apply. To keep your car's air conditioning system fit for the next warm season, run it a few times throughout the winter. This will prevent moving parts in the compressor from seizing. And one of the most obvious tips, keep getting that oil changed when needed. Frequent changes flush abrasive dirt and metal particles out of the engine, prolonging its life. Many automotive experts suggest oil changes every 3,000 miles. However, it is also suggested that doubling that to every 6,000 miles or so is okay.
Welcome to Klahanie Chevron Service Center, where they're happy to service all your car and truck service and repair needs. They're open 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. And they have a mechanic on duty Monday through Saturday. They've been here for a long time and are proud to be servicing the kids and some grandkids of those that they serviced years ago. Come on in or call and set an appointment to let them help you.